Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to receive USDT on TonKeeper. So now, let's begin. The first thing we need to do is open our TonKeeper app and log in. After logging in, we can see now the home page. Here, you will see the USDT. Now, we need to click it. After that, we should now be in this page and you should click the receive button. Then, you'll now be redirected to this page, where you will be given QR code and a link. What we can do now is click copy. After doing that, we should now launch our Binance app, then log in our account. Now, click on wallet section in the right bottom part of the screen. Then, find the spot section and click on USDT. After that, click on withdrawal option. Then, click on send via crypto network. And paste the address that you copied earlier. Then, it will automatically provide for the network. Then, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to send from Binance to TonKeeper. After that, just click on withdraw. And that is how to receive USDT on TonKeeper. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.